Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So if you haven't heard, Instagram is making yet another update, and this update is subscriptions.
This week we're launching our first version of subscriptions on Instagram. At the beginning of the year I said we're going to build primarily for teens and for creators, and subscriptions are for creators. Now creators do what they do to make a living, and it's important that that is predictable. And subscriptions are one of the best ways to have a predictable income. A way that is not attached to how much reach you get on any given post, which is inevitably gonna go up and down over time.
So what this means is a creator will be able to provide exclusive content, or a business owner will be able to provide exclusive content. It's kind of similar to like what YouTube has, like right on this platform, YouTube, where you can actually have, subscribers, people who subscribe to your YouTube page, and they can get exclusive content that you release only for those who are paying subscribers. So now with Instagram, they're going to start releasing this week, and they're only going to release it to the US with, of course, how they normally do, a small group of creators first, and then they normally branch out, of course, just kind of testing the wheels and see how things are working. So the ways that you will be able to provide that exclusive content will be through doing live streams and doing stories. And then for those who are subscribing to your page, or if you are a subscriber, you'll also be marked with a purple indicator that the creator or the business can see. And so basically what that means is if you have someone that is paying for your exclusive content, they're giving you money every single month, then you'll probably want to pay a little bit more attention, to responding to them and communicating, because they are indeed, like, I guess you could say, a paying customer, a paying subscriber, or a paying fan. Now, who could actually take advantage of this? Pretty much anybody could take advantage of this. You could take advantage of this pretty much depending on whatever it is that you offer. Now, some people may think that what they offer is, is not one of those things that, you could have subscribers for, but think about it like this. Let's say if you have like a vlog, like you're constantly vlogging, but who would want to subscribe to that? Well, what's the difference between people paying to watch movies and a television show and people paying to, see an update on somebody's life? This is something that people already do, just like you have a subscription to Netflix. People will pay for entertainment. So it can be vlogging, it can be comedy, it could be any type of entertainment or any type of stories or anything. And then of course when we get into business, and if you have a skill or anything that you can teach, people will definitely pay to learn. So I think this is a huge game changer for Instagram, but I think it's a huge game changer overall for creators, because this has been an amazing time to be a creator or in digital marketing or just online, especially if you have something to offer, because the ways of being able to make money online are just way beyond what they used to be 5 years ago, let alone if we go back 10 years ago, where making money online, if you made like $1,000 in a calendar year online, people thought you was doing something, because making money online just wasn't something that people had really grasped onto just yet. So this is going to be huge, because one of the things I know Instagram is also working on is they're also working on ways to integrate other platforms as well. So I think that's great that they're trying to really support the overall creator, and they're listening to different complaints and things like that, where sometimes creators are penalized because of taking people off of the platform, but they're saying they want to try to encourage that, along with these subscriptions, being able to help people build their business. But I think it's awesome, and I think it's great to see these things happening across these platforms, because these platforms and their competitions are going to mean a lot of wealth and a lot of income, or just a little extra side income that can really be helpful to an individual and their family. But I'd love to know what you think about this Instagram rolling out subscriptions. Let me know in the comments. As always, guys, hope you have a good one. Talk to you in the next video. Peace out.